At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a jiu-jitsu gym can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Research the market demand for jiu-jitsu in your area. Analyze the competition and identify your target market. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, services offered, pricing structure, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 2. Legal considerations. Choose a legal structure for your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required to operate a gym in your area. Consider liability insurance to protect your business in case of accidents or injuries. 3. Location and facilities. Find a suitable location for your gym. Look for areas with high foot traffic or in neighborhoods where your target demographic resides. Consider the size and layout of the space to accommodate training mats, changing rooms, and other amenities. Ensure the facility meets safety and accessibility standards. 4. Equipment and supplies. Invest in high-quality jiu-jitsu mats, training gear, and other equipment necessary for classes and workouts. Stock up on essentials like cleaning supplies, first aid kits, and any other items needed to maintain the facility. 5. Hiring staff. Hire qualified instructors with experience in jiu-jitsu. Look for individuals who are not only skilled practitioners, but also have teaching experience and good interpersonal skills. Consider hiring administrative staff to handle day-to-day operations, scheduling, and customer inquiries. 6. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract clients to your gym. Utilize online channels such as social media, a website, and online advertising to reach potential customers. Offer introductory classes or promotions to encourage people to try out your gym. Build relationships with local communities, schools, and businesses to increase awareness of your gym. 7. Build a strong community. Foster a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere at your gym to encourage retention and word-of-mouth referrals. Organize events, workshops, and social gatherings to engage with your members outside of regular classes. Encourage teamwork and camaraderie among your students to create a supportive community. 8. Continuous improvement. Stay updated on the latest trends and developments in jiu-jitsu training and techniques. Seek feedback from your members to identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your services accordingly. Continuously invest in the growth and development of your business to ensure long-term success. Starting a jiu-jitsu gym requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for the sport. By following these steps and staying committed to providing high-quality training and exceptional customer service, you can build a successful and thriving business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.